Hi guys and girls, glad you're back with us. In this filmed episode, 15 divided by 15, which equals 1, and 16 divided by 16 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 15 divided by 15 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 16 divided by 16, and we can write this part as 1 over 16 divided by 16. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 16 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 16, which equals 1 over 256. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.